Snow is falling softly on the old front door. Families gathering like we've done before. Laughter fills the hallway, joy is in the air. We're wrapping up the moments only Christmas lets us share. And under twinkling lights, something shining bright. A little box of magic waiting to delight. Sparks came home for Christmas.
Hi everyone and welcome back to Kay London. So, I have not been on holiday since February, right? My birthday, when I went back to Florida for the first time in 5 years. It's now November and my nephew is turning 3 years old. So we're going to Paris. And I was like, I need a really nice outfit for his birthday. But prior to that, I was like scrolling on the Instagram, as you do, and I saw some boots. And then I was like, oh, these could go with an outfit that I create to go to Paris because we're going to Disney on his birthday. So then I was like, I need a hoodie because it's winter and Paris might be cold. I better check the weather. But anyway, then I designed a hoodie, right? Then I was like, I haven't treated myself to anything for a long time. And I normally feel guilty about buying stuff because I spend so much money on my business, but I'm also trying to save. I'm getting old, I'm trying to save, right? And I want to retire at 45, you guys, so, or 40, so I've got between 5 and 10 years, so I've got to save. Anyway, so I'm like, I don't buy a lot of stuff for myself. Don't buy too much clothes. Don't buy too much shoes, jewelry, handbags, and all of that stuff. I don't eat out a lot. So my mum was like, "You deserve it. You work so hard. Treat yourself." So I'm not gonna feel guilty about buying a pair of boots and buying a pair of trainers and getting a custom-made hoodie because I do work hard and I do spend my money wisely. So let's go with the hoodie first, right? I collected it today. And ta-da! So it's got a massive K on it with KayishaOnline, which is my brand. So I am the CEO of KayishaOnline and KayishaOnline Publications, and underneath, like the umbrella of KayishaOnline, is PCB Photography, the Kay London YouTube channel, hey, Spark Sunglasses, and KayishaOnline Publications. I also have Sophisticated KTs, and that's why I've like designed things, but I haven't created any new collections for that for a long time. But yeah, so KayishaOnline, I always promote that and always promote my books and everything. So yeah, I can't wait to wear that, and I want to just be certain, well, it doesn't matter if it doesn't match it perfectly, but at the end of the day it's yellow, and yellow is not normally my colour, it's normally red, but I thought I would do something different. Then, so like I said, I was scrolling on Instagram, as you do, and this new brand popped up and I was like, oh my gosh. So I was like, I need those. Went to their website, scrolled. They had about 50, 60 different types of high top boots, trainers, all sorts of things. But I had my heart set on these. So they have come all the way from Italy. And I feel like I'm only going to wear them once a year. Like, I'm not even joking. I feel like I will only wear them once a year. Oh. Oh no, the lid stopped. Okay. Okay, so I'm probably gonna butcher the name, right? But this is called Christian Zerotre. Zerotre? Anyway, so this says CR03. Drum roll, please. Insert drum roll, Kayisha. Oh my god. Oh, it's the perfect color. Wait, I don't know if you can see. It's the perfect color. Oh my god, it's perfect. Wait, I've got to show you how perfect the yellow is. Look. Jesus. Look. It is perfect. Wow. Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm gonna wear them once a year. In 10 years, they'll still look like this. Oh my god. You guys. This is amazing. This says designed in Milano. Oh my goodness. Made in Italy. Never stop worldwide distribution. The tag says that, sorry. Oh, look at the zip. Oh my goodness. It's so soft. Look at how thick the laces are. Oh my gosh. Wow, I'm gonna be taller. Look at how thick the sole is. I'm gonna be so tall on Monday. Oh my gosh, look at the end of the laces. Wow. Am I exaggerating? No, I'm not. This is art. This is art. Look. Wow. Oh my god, I love them. Okay, I'm happy. I'm so happy that I treated myself because I deserve it. I deserve it. I literally work my 9 to 5. I wake up and I work on Sparks and KayishaOnline. Work my 9 to 5, close that, do a bit of movement, and then get back to work for Sparks and KayishaOnline. And that's almost like 7 days a week. Okay, I don't work my 9 to 5 on Saturday and Sunday, but I'm working for Sparks and KayishaOnline like all the way through the weekend. And so, yeah, I need a break, so I'm glad we're going away. Yes, now let me open the next one. Oh my gosh. Right, so I love Puma. Oh my gosh, look. I love Puma, right? So I decided to get some all black Pumas because I'm such a clean and neat freak that when my sneakers that have white on it get messy, I'm like, oh my gosh, they're dirty. So I decided to get some all black Pumas. So here goes. Oh, the box is tiny. Oh, my feet are size 4, Kayisha. Look, it said there's only one forever, let's make it better. So, here are my, oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. I knew you were going to come at this precise moment whilst I'm filming. Okay, you guys. 360 view. Let me get up and show you. 360 view of my Puma sneakers. Yo, how did I decide that I should wear this Puma outfit and then open my Puma sneakers? Look. They're nice and simple. But anyway, because I'm size 4, they look extremely tiny, but my foot is extremely tiny. Oh, I should probably change the camera position, but hey. Oh my god. happy. So this is my footwear for going on holiday. I'm gonna wear these most days, and then I'm gonna wear my yellow boots just on Monday with my yellow hoodie. And like I said, only one time a year because they're so special. But okay, everyone. So everyone, your takeaway from this video should be work hard and treat yourself, because clearly when you work hard, you do deserve it. You can't just like store up all the money and then never ever benefit from it, because at the end of the day you can't take it with you. So I have to stop being so hard on myself about treating myself to things. Okay, so I want some of your crisp now, since you're disturbing my video. Come on, come give me some of your crisp. Come give me some of your crisp. Come and give me some of your crisp. Come on. Can I have some of your crisp, please? Oh, thank you so... I thought you were putting it in my mouth. Thank you so much.
Mama wants to.
Okay, let's say bye to everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment. And have a good day wherever you are.
Yeah.
Have a good day wherever you are. From Kay London.
Hey, London.
Oh, you're so sweet. I'm Kay London. You love Kay London?
Yeah.
I love you too. You could talk to the camera. Look, you can show them your crisp.
Mama Pink.
Say hi, I'm Major.
Mama
I've
got Mama Pink. Eat Mama Pink. I love Mama Pink. Not eat Mama Pink. I love him. Bây giờ mà khát khai chứ bây giờ mà nên mà khát khai cái đó mà nó có được khai.
Where did you go today? Tell them where you went today.
Biết bảo cái hào.
Not today. Where did you go to? Where did you just come back from? You went to nursery.
Daddy. That. I ra khả mất.
Stand back. You're too cute. Major Auntie Kai Kai is so happy about that. It matches. Oh my gosh.
Beep, beep, beep. And got it on beep, beep. And got room on one. We don't eat it. Dumped. The room.
No, you have to stand up.
Don't go away. Go all town.
The camera can't see you. You have to come back to the camera.
No more video. Bumpy. And they got no more cigarette. And they want to come what you went. Go away. That's not. It's a